Just unpacking the Ninja espresso machine. Got it for a pretty good price. Going through the startup processes as per the manual. This thing's kind of big. The tamper is clipped into the side here along with a kind of a no mess sleeve. Okay, so that's our shield to stop the grinds from going everywhere. Tamp it down. This is fiddly and tricky. I'm sure I'll get used to it. Okay, let's try manual frothing. I think I've got it. Hold down for a few seconds. No, nothing's happening. Confusing. To be fair, I was probably a bit slow at pouring the froth. Got some froth off the top, looks pretty good now. Here's one feature I like. You can wipe this down, give it a clean, put it back in position, and it'll automatically clean itself out. Usually I froth my own milk. This one comes with this decanter, and it's got a little frothing mechanism in there. So let's try almond milk today. Wait, that's wrong. The wand goes inside. Whoops. Progress bar. See that a bit better? Looks nice and smooth. Okay, slowing down now. That took a pretty long time. Maybe a little bit longer than doing it manually. But this meant I could walk away from it and do other things, and also I'll come back with perfect froth and perfect temperature. I mean, it's not brilliant, but that'll settle down. It'll be nice. I don't count myself as one of the world's more oppressed people.